Hi, Courtney. Thank you for joining me today. Can you tell me something about yourself? What do you do?
So I am a soon-to-be graduate from Columbia, and I work at Mount Sinai as a researcher in the emergency room.
Why did you decide to try the Dharma Life program?
I've always been interested in personal development and just kind of exploring who I am as a person. I was a performance artist for a long time, so a lot of my work has been through like movement, and that has served as a type of therapy for me.
What was one professional goal that you had prior to studying the program?
So a big goal for me has been to lessen the amount of promising that I do at work, because that can be really costly in the fact that I can't always deliver what I'm promising. And so for me, I was looking to become more assertive and be able to be realistic with the time that I'm giving to work, not always jumping in when urgent emails or text messages are coming in. And so being able to take a few minutes and evaluate, is this really important, or is this something that can wait till tomorrow?
What was it like using the app? Did you find it easy? Did you find it difficult?
So the app was great. I liked the different combinations of exercises. I liked that there was the physical component, because I'm a very active person. I'm a runner. Although I didn't use those as much as I thought I would. There were things that were so similar to things that I've already done before, so journaling and the logs were really useful for me in kind of weighing the cost benefits, especially for my trade. And so I found it very user-friendly, very easy to use, and the games were a bit frustrating for me. So I was trying to deconstruct, figure out what the games were trying to help me learn.
Patterns.
Yes. I wasn't able to do it.
How was your experience working with a mentor?
I think that's the best part of the program, is being able to walk through your trait and really identify what, like deconstruct the different components of what this trait, how it builds up in your life, how it came to be so prevalent in your reactions, and then be able to problem solve and see what exercises you can do to slowly undo that trait.
So, Courtney, you recently finished the program. Did it help with your professional goal?
I think I've been more active in trying to address the different components of my trait as a result of being part of the program, going through the 6 weeks with my mentor. And so that has helped me take a few leaps on my progress meter. As you'll see in the app, it does show you kind of where you're working towards your goal. But I definitely think I need to keep with it, and so since finishing the program, I've been doing it on my own and trying to integrate it into my own self-care.
I know it has only been 6 weeks, but how do you think you've changed?
So I definitely feel more mindful as far as taking the time to really evaluate how I'm reacting instead of just reacting. And so I think a big part of it is having the awareness and being able to employ it.
Do you have anything else to add in general for anybody else who might decide to go through the program in the future?
I definitely think that the most important thing is to schedule it in. We all have really busy lives, and make sure that you're dedicated to actually committing to yourself, committing to that time for yourself, because it's so easy, and I do this all the time, is just give away my time to other people, and it's hard to really turn inward. So I would say commit to yourself and invest in yourself.
Thank you so much for sharing your story.